with his help, I'm basically not scared of approaching any company, whether it's a big company or a small company. I think he's given me that extra helping hand. I think Michael sort of, how would I say, removed the clouds, because I want to do a lot, but I didn't really know what was the right road. He's helped me find sort of focus and exactly on my area, and I would like obviously to thank him very much, because that means a lot to me. He's helped me to take my website and my business on a different level. Before, obviously, I was doing everything on my own. Was good, but obviously not as good as next to Michael. I mean, there's a big difference completely now. Obviously, I checked his profile, I checked exactly his website, and I found out that this guy is a guru, like we would say, Indians would say, the guru, that he specializes in this type of business, social media, and obviously he gives tips. I've seen a couple of his videos of his own, and that made a very big difference to know that I'm speaking to someone who knows his business well. And it's important that as well that he used to contact me or reply me very quickly, even though he's abroad. I think that played a big part. For me, I like that continuity. Not all of a sudden you speak to someone and a year, a month later has passed and there's no communication. For me, that's very important. And he's always helpful. That for me is very important in any business. So at the beginning I was a bit scared, and I had met Michael at an event locally, and obviously I spoke to him, and I found that he was so friendly, and he was talking sort of plain English. He wasn't talking very technical, because I'm not such an IT geek. So, I mean, I would obviously suggest Michael to all my friends.